Hi everyone, it's me again. Okay, so congratulations, you have selected Creativity Central. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, open up the folder Creativity Central, and then you'll open up the doc. The doc looks like this. Description for Creativity Central. This group is meant to give you the opportunity to generate your own thoughts, ideas, and plans outside of the provided SLC groups. We will review these ideas bi-weekly or every other week as a group. So like everybody in SLC is going to go through these. And we're going to determine if there is enough interest to generate a team to bring it to life. Okay, so yours is actually the only group that doesn't have the option to add a team. So last week, I actually had a student who came up with the idea for a student newsletter to keep everyone updated. So they talked about how we could talk about current events. We could talk about what's going on at school, or even like what SLC is doing specifically. And that's going to generate interest between other students, and they might even join SLC, which would be fantastic because then you're not doing all the work on your own. So again, this is just like an idea that stuck with me, and I think this is a tremendous idea. So the person who came up with this, or even if like one of you is interested in it, you would put your name here, and then you would put the date. Okay. Again, this is, you're going to list your new ideas here, and then just keep generating more information on the list. If this is something that you're just like, maybe this isn't for me or anything like that, remember that you're more than welcome to switch around to different groups, watch the videos, and see if that's something you're interested in instead. The other thing to remember about Creativity Central is that this is more of like a temporary group because it's created for the purpose of quickly generating ideas and then moving into another group where things are already happening. All right, well, good luck. Create some ideas, and let me know if you have any questions.